Hi guys! Welcome to day 7 of 30 Days of Birds. 30 Days of Birds is a series that I'm attempting to do where I paint a bird and upload a time-lapse video 30 days in a row. This piece is like revisiting an old friend. This little red jay has been a symbol of mine for years, and as silly as it sounds, it actually came to me in a dream years back. Haven't been able to shake him since. Does anyone else have a sort of creature that they draw or paint a lot because they have some sort of spirit in your heart? The first few pieces of this series were purple, and then the next were blue, and it looks like we've ventured into the land of red for a few days. I feel like my relationship with color is evolving. A few years ago, I primarily worked with ink, so color was far from evident in my pieces. They were often moody and dark, which I still adore, but ever since I began exploring with oil paints, color has been a very important part of my painting journey. While I do make an effort to play around with new color palettes, rich warm purple tones are never far from my shadows. I love this effect. It makes the piece so much more interesting than if I were to actually use black paint. And fun fact, I actually rarely use black paint anymore, with the exception of oil paintings that are supposed to be more in the grayscale realm. By mixing purples, browns, blues, and other colors, you can create some really lovely shadows that are anything but flat. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed day 7 of 30 Days of Birds. Stay tuned for the next installment tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everyone. Just a reminder that if you are interested in some exclusive content like longer instructional videos on how to paint, art prints, special sales, you should consider becoming a patron over on my Patreon account. For a few dollars each month, you can unlock some super cool rewards.